Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to see Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to see our 57th video in 100 days of coding challenge. Today is our topic is JavaScript bitwise operations. So JavaScript bitwise operation is performs basically it's in some operations means bitwise operators in JavaScript perform operations on binary representation of integers. They manipulate bits directly using AND or XOR, not shifts, etc. JavaScript bitwise operators. Operators like AND or XOR, not, zero left, zero fill left shift, signed right shift, zero fill right shift. So we can check the description here. AND operator sets each bits to 1 if both sides if both bits are 1, or sets each bits to 1 if one of two bits is 1. XOR sets each bits to 1 if only one of two bits is 1. Not inverts all the bits. Zero fill left shift. Shift left by pushing zeros in from the right and let the leftmost bits fall off. Signed right shift. Shifts right by pushing copies of the leftmost bit in from the left and let the rightmost bit fall off. Zero fill right shift. Shifts right by pushing zeros in from the left and let the rightmost bits fall off. So these are the description of these operators. For example, we can see 5 and 5 result is 1, and it's same as 0 1 0 1 and 0 0 0 1, and our result will be 0 0 0 1. 5 or 1, so our result will be 5, means same as like 0 1 0 1 or 0 0 0 1, so our result would be 0 1 0 1. So same as follows. JavaScript uses 32 bits bitwise operand. JavaScript stores numbers as 64 bits floating point numbers, but all bitwise operations are performed on 32 bits binary numbers. Before a bitwise operation is performed, JavaScript converts numbers to 32 bits signed integers. After the bitwise operation is performed, the result is converted back to 64 bits JavaScript numbers. The example above uses 4 bits unsigned binary numbers. Because of this, not 5 returns 10. Since JavaScript uses 32 bits signed integer, it will not return 10, it will return -6. For example, you can see there a signed integer uses the leftmost bit as a minus sign. JavaScript bitwise AND. When a bitwise AND is performed on a pair of bits, it returns 1 if both bits are 1. As we can say here, it returns 1 when both sides are 1. This is the example of 4 bit. JavaScript bitwise OR. When a bitwise OR is performed on a pair of bits, it returns 1 if one of the bits is 1. Means here in both cases anyone is 1, then it will return 1. like in this case there is no one, then it will return 0, and in this case there is 1 1, so it will return 1, and there also 1 1, so it will also return 1, and there is also more than 1, means we required only 1 1. So if 1, then it's the result 1. If more than 1, that is good, but we required at least 1 1. JavaScript bitwise XOR. When a bitwise XOR is performed on a pair of bits, it returns 1 if the bits are different. Means here if bits are different, then it will return 1. Means here 0 0 means same bits, then here return 0, and here 0 1 means both bits are different. That's why here it's return 1, same as in this case also, and in this case both are same, then it will return 0. JavaScript bitwise and returns 1 only if both bits are 1, as we can see already. JavaScript bitwise or returns 1 if one of the bits is 1, means anyone in both bits, any 1 is there, then it will return 1. JavaScript bitwise XOR returns 1 if the bits are different. JavaScript bitwise not. So here we can see last one is show the minus sign. JavaScript zero fill bitwise left shift. JavaScript zero fill bitwise left shift. This is a zero fill left shift. One or more 0 bits are pushed in from the right and the leftmost bits fall off. Like leftmost bit will be fall off. JavaScript sign preserving bitwise right shift. This is a sign preserving right shift. Copies of the leftmost bit are pushed in from the left, and rightmost bits fall off. Here our rightmost bit will be fall off. JavaScript zero fill right shift. This is zero fill right shift. One or more 0 bits are pushed in from the left, and the rightmost bit fall off. Here rightmost bit will be fall off. Binary numbers. Binary numbers with only 1 bits set are easy to understand. Like here we can see binary representation of numbers. Setting a few more bits reveal the binary pattern. Means we are set one more bit, it will be return another number. Next is our JavaScript binary numbers are stored in 2's component format. This means that a negative number is the bitwise not of the numbers plus 1. We can see here. Joke. There are only 10 types of people in the world, those who understand binary and those who don't. Converting decimal to binary. Example. Here we are creating a function name decimal to dash to bind, and we are passing dash value, and here if dash is greater than 0, then it will be converted to string with 2, converting binary to decimal. Here we are converting binary number into decimal. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any further question, you can comment down. I will explain more about that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.